take second numerical on Vapor power cycle. This is also asked in the industry exam for 10 marks. In a Rankine cycle, the steam at the inlet to turbine is saturated at a pressure of 35 bar and the exhaust pressure is 0.2 bar. Calculate the pump work, the turbine work, the Rankine efficiency, the condenser heat flow, the dryness fraction at the end of expansion. Assume mass flow rate of steam to be 9.5 kg per second. Okay. So you can draw the TS diagram like this. This is saturated condition. Actually, if you take a Euler diagram, straight away you can, these are two pressures given. The boiler pressure is 35 bar, condenser pressure is 0.2 bar. And here at 35 bar it is dry saturated. From the Euler diagram, straight away you can, enthalpy, entropy diagram, straight away you can get the enthalpy here. Okay. Otherwise, you can, for easy calculation, you can take a steam table also and find out the values. Okay, so please understand this problem we will solve in two parts again because they are slightly long and I want to make you understand how it is to be done. Like this is 35 bar line and this is 0.2 bar line, that is condenser pressure, this is boiler pressure, and here this is the turbine work H1 H2, this is a condenser up from turbine, condenser from there, this is a pump, then this is the from 4 5 1 is a heat addition. Okay, again H1 minus H2 is the turbine work, H2 minus H3 is the condenser heat rejection, H3 H4 that is a pump work, H1 minus H4 is a heat addition. Okay, and the flow rate is 9.5 kg per second diagram. So P1 boiler pressure or P1 is equal to 35 bar, dryness fraction is 1 at condition 1, PC is equal to P2 is equal to 0.2 bar, that condenser pressure. Now to find out pump work is equal to H4 minus H3. Now we don't know this, so there is a formula, that is specific volume into multiplied by boiler pressure minus condenser pressure, where these two are in kilopascal. From steam table, for at a PC is equal to 0.2 bar, you find out the VF, volume of fluid, is 0.001 meter cube per kg. Okay. Now substituting the value in equation, pump work is equal to 0.001 into bracket 35 minus 0.2, in because it is in Pascal into multiply by 100 is equal to 3.14 kilojoules per kg. Now the pump work is equal to mass flow rate into the pump work. The power required is equal to mass flow rate into pump work. So the power is equal to 9.5 kg per second into 3.454 kilojoules per kg, that is 33.63 kilowatt. This is the pump work, power required for the pump. The pump work is only 3.54 kilojoules per kg, but multiplying this with the mass flow rate, you get the power. Okay, pump work is only 3.54 kilojoules per kg. Now let us look at turbine work. Turbine work is H1 minus H2. Again, H2 is in the wet region. I don't know the enthalpy there, so I will take the entropy and then calculate from entropy. I'll straight away come here. I will take this entropy equation here. S1 is equal to entropy at dry state, S1 is equal to entropy at S2, that is wet state. So for the conditions 1 and 2, here for 1 you are only taking the SG1, for 2 you are taking SF2 fluid plus XSF2. So X2 you are going to calculate here. Substituting the values, you find out X2 is equal to 0.747, and after calculating this X2, then you are coming to this equation, H2 is equal to HF2 plus X2 HFG2. Okay, from steam tables you know that at 35 bar HG is equal to 2802. Here only gas conditions HG and SG is equal to 6.1229, and at P2 here we are going to find SF2 as well as HFG2 and SFG2. Okay, and substituting these values you will calculate this. Now this enthalpy in enthalpy equation, when you substitute enthalpy SF2 is this one 251, dryness fraction is 0.747 and SFG2 is 2358. So H2 you get as 2013 kilojoules per kg. Okay. Now the pump turbine work is equal to H1 minus H2, that is 2802 minus 2013, that is 788. Okay. Now the pump work was only 3.5. This